Python all, 6, 7, 8, 9, equals true. But 6 equals false. My understanding of the all operator is that it returns true if all elements of an iterable return a value of true. Either I'm misunderstanding its function completely, or something isn't quite right in the following. What's up with this? Edit OK, I'm getting a lot of answers explaining that 0 is false. I get that. 0 equals false and 1 equals true. My issue is that 6 is returned as false, yet when tested as part of a list it returns as true. This is the bit I don't get?
Check me. What you're really asking is, 6 and 7 appear to be false, so why is the second expression true? If so, the answer is that non-zero integers evaluate to true in a boolean context, but when you test 6 equals true, the integer is not being coerced into a boolean type, so effectively you're testing 6 equals 1, which is false. Edit. The correct way to test if something is true in a boolean context is, for example,